The stock market has been on fire in Canada, United States, and around the world. And to the surprise of many, the forecast is through the balance of the year, it's going to go higher still. Yet when I speak to people day to day, well, in fact, even market analysts are all quite skeptical that this can't continue. Comments like, with all of the chaos around the world, something has to go wrong. Another shoe has to drop. Well, of course, someday it will. The markets eventually do go down. But when? Is that going to be sooner or later? Will it be next month? Will it be 2026? Will it be 2027? Of course, there's no way to know with certainty. And what makes things even more complicated is that interest rates are low again, and in fact, likely going lower. Both the Bank of Canada and the US Federal Reserve are expected to announce lower interest rates. So, what do? How do you keep your money growing while at the same time protecting against all those risks out there? Protecting your capital without having too much of your money locked away in low interest accounts. And of course, we have to be careful about that, because if your money doesn't grow at a fast enough rate, you risk not having enough for down the road to deal with healthcare and long-term care costs. Have you looked at your mix in your investments in the last 6 months? Have you made any adjustments to your investments in the last 6 months? It's probably time to do that. One important tool in the investment world these days are alternative investments. Alternative investments are specifically designed for this late cycle, really tricky kind of investment environment. Alternative investments are designed to allow your money to grow as the markets are going higher, while protecting your capital against the risks for when the other shoe does in fact drop. If you're watching this, it's proof that you're keenly aware that this is time to be extra careful about how your money is allocated. If you haven't looked at your asset mix over the last 6 months or made changes, it's definitely time to, and you don't have to do it alone. We're here to help.